Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing. And in this tutorial video, we are going to go over the QR builder in your dashboard. And so when you go to the QR builder tab, you're going to come to a place that looks like this. And so here you have a restaurant QR generator. You can download your QR, and then you have some menu print templates that we have available for you. These are templates that you can use. You can download them and upload them into an editing software. Download your QR code, add the QR code to the template, and then you can print this template and put it on your table so your customers can scan the QR code and they'll be able to view your digital menu. We also provide a template here that you can actually you edit, and then you can print it on cardboard or some hard paper and cut it and fold it yourself and put it on the tables. And so you can generate different designs here, something that looks like this, something that looks like this, or like this, or like this, and then you can change the colors like so. Okay. And then when you are happy with the way the QR code looks like, you can click this button right here and it will download the QR code. And with this QR code, wherever you put it at, people can scan the QR code and they will be directly sent to your digital menu. And so again, Roberto here with Top One Marketing. If you have any questions, go to the support desk, submit a support ticket, and we will get to you as soon as possible. Do not hesitate to ask any question you may have. All right, until the next one, see you later.